So it's more of like a hair, skincare, makeup bundle. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Allure beauty box. So to start off, we have a beautiful red paper. Now this box is supposed to be a mix of beauty and skincare products. I personally prefer mostly beauty products, but I'm interested to see some of the skincare products in this because I got a $107 skin cream with my BoxyCharm this last month, and at first I thought that was a crazy price for a skin moisturizer, but honestly the difference in my skin between using it and not using it is night and day, so I'm a little more excited to test out all of these more expensive face creams. So the first thing I see in our box is a Art mascara in the color of black, which is nice. I use black. And it's just in this little yellow tube. So this is a nice item. This alone, I believe, is worth $23, and I think the cost of an Allure box is about $15, so this just paid for our box. The next thing is a Car Skin Pure Lip Restoration. So it's just a little red container. It smells a little weird to me. I'm gonna use just a little bit. Okay, the product smells way better on the lips, and I just used a little teeny nudge out of it, and it completely covered all of my lips. So this is a really good product. I feel like you could get a lot of use out of this one little container. The next thing is called Dolly Paris Instant Foaming Cleanser. And this, I don't know if this is full size. Most of the products in this box are not full size. They're all about half size. That mascara I pulled out was full size, and this looks like it's probably full size. Instant Foaming Cleanser, Moisturizing Grape and Purifying Sage. Okay, it has a very light scent to it, and it smells nice. This box has a lot of things in it. So next up is the Renewed Hope in a Jar Water Cream by Philosophy. It's a glow moisturizer. Wow, and this one's very, very teeny. Then we have the Perfect Shine Oil Mist Color Plus Heat Protectant. So this is for your hair, I believe. And this once again seems to be just like a sample size, but a good size sample size. Right, next up we have the Vitabird C12 Dual Drop Serum. Helps skin look firmer, brighter, more hydrated. For age-defying hydration, and that's so cool. It just looks like a oil of some sort, but like a really slow-moving oil with cool bubbles. I don't know if you guys can see all the cool bubbles in there. This one I will probably gift to someone. This barely has a smell. Like no smell, possibly teeny bit floral, like it's so light. I don't consider it to have a smell. I know you're never too young to start age-defying serums, but I personally am just not that into them. And then the last thing we have in this box is a Kate Somerville Skincare or Skin Health Experts Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. Wow, and once again, it's just a very teeny bottle. So most of these products are skincare. We really only got one beauty product in this box. I have to say, I think my favorite things are definitely the mascara and the lip moisturizer. I also really like that they gave us this heat protectant for your hair, so it's more of like a hair, skincare, makeup bundle. And I do feel like they gave us a lot of items. Half these items I probably won't use. I just get so much skincare stuff, but I'm excited to try a lot of this and see how well it works. Thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing. I hope to see you again.